again. Yesterday at our sister concern, Aaj Tak's Manthan, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi made a statement, said that if you want to eat beef, you should go to Pakistan. This was a statement that even today invoked the finance minister of the government, Arun Jaitley, to come up and issue a clarification. However, it is already called a political and a social storm. Actor Raza Murad now reacting to what Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi said.
I think it's very unfortunate. Although Mr. Naqvi is a very close friend of mine, and I never expected, this kind of statement. A man of the stature of Mr. Naqvi. There are other states also, like Goa, like some, northeastern states. They eat beef, and there is no ban as such as they have imposed in Maharashtra. We respect the sentiments of our Hindu brothers and sisters, undoubtedly. I have never consumed beef in my whole life. But at the same time, I'm not trying to justify the people who eat beef. Beef is much, much cheaper than the goat meat. So everybody cannot afford that. Everybody cannot afford that. Okay, if they have imposed the ban in Maharashtra, we respect the verdict. And but the problem is, the irony is that whenever, there is any kind of controversy involving Muslims, they tell us to go to Pakistan. Whether, there was a statement from a minister who's from Bihar. He said कि अगर आपको हमारी बातें अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं, आपको हमारी पॉलिसीज अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं, तो आप पाकिस्तान चाहिए. And the kind of words which Mr. Naqvi used was totally uncalled for. He said कि जो लोग बीफ खाने के लिए मर रहे हैं, उन्हें पाकिस्तान चला जाना चाहिए. What beef has to do with Pakistan?
So do you think this was laced with some intent towards Muslims, perhaps, this statement?
Of course. Because a Muslim MP was, involved in this debate, which became quite heated also. So it was quite shocking that Mr. Naqvi, who always, gives very responsible statement, it was least expected from him to use such kind of words. And if our ancestors wanted to migrate to Pakistan, they would have gone about 70 years back. We are loyal to this country. My forefathers were loyal to this country. I am born here. I am a born Indian. I am an Indian and I'll die an Indian. Okay. So we don't need a certificate from anybody to go to Pakistan. We don't need a certificate. And we don't need to, prove ourselves again and again that we are loyal to this country. And we don't need anybody's mercy or sympathy or a certificate to stay in this country. Okay. The constitution of this country has given us the right, a full right, the right which the president, the prime minister, the other ministers, and all the big dignitaries, we also have the same right. We enjoy all the, fruits of our constitution, which was presented to us, gifted to us by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. So, such kind of statements would, they would widen the gulf between the two communities. And when you say कि अच्छे दिन आएंगे, अच्छे दिन are for everybody, not just for a particular community. और सबका साथ सबका विकास is for everybody. So whatever you have promised, you should stick to that particular promise, that every citizen of this country would be looked after. And finally, I'm really very, very shocked by this kind of, statement of Mr. Naqvi. And once again, I would like to tell, we don't need anybody's certificate to stay in our own country.
Well, not just banned by others, even from his own party, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi was pulled up today by Arun Jaitley, the finance minister. In a clear message to Naqvi, the finance minister said that leaders should avoid making such statements, but he also added that comments like that have no impact on policy and governance.
बड़े देश में लोगों का अपना लहजा होता है और इसलिए मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमारे शासन पे या हमारी नीतियों पे ऐसे बयानों का असर पड़ता है। लोगों को अपनी जिम्मेवारी भी समझनी चाहिए, ये तो स्वाभाविक है और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इसको बार बार कहा है। ये दूसरी बात है कि आपके चैनल्स के ऊपर इन स्टेटमेंट्स का अपना आकर्षण बन जाता है।
And just yesterday only, Union Minister Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi had quoted a massive controversy which even invoked the finance minister to come up and pull his own party person. Well, this was the statement, and he said, people who are desperate to eat beef should live in Pakistan. The Union Minister made that comment during a discussion with MIM's Asauddin Owaisi on the state of minorities under the Modi government at Aaj Tak's Manthan on Thursday. Naqvi was responding to consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai when asked what his government was doing to assure minorities that the government was concerned about their welfare. Naqvi's comments came after a blanket beef ban has been imposed in BJP-ruled states of Haryana and Maharashtra. The BJP's move to ban beef from two states has drawn criticism and protest. Naqvi's comments at the Aaj Tak conclave are only set to embarrass a government which already is on the back foot on the minority issue.
कह रहा हूं कि अगर वो बीफ के व्यवसाय के बिना मर रहे हैं तो वो यहाँ तक जगह नहीं है इस देश में उनके लिए, यानी आप ऐसे लोगों के लिए नहीं है। आप मुझे कह रहे हैं जो देवनार जिसको गौ माता कहते हैं, जिसको लोग पूजा करते हैं, आप उनकी हत्या के बिना नहीं रह सकते। आप या कोई भी व्यक्ति बीफ के मीट के खाए बिना मर रहा है तो पाकिस्तान चले जाइए, अरब चले जाइए, और जगह पे दुनिया के और कोनों में मिलता है। आप जो है वो इंसानी वसूलों को, इंसानी मान्यताओं को मार करके आप इस मुल्क में नहीं रह सकते।
I want to cut across to my colleague Shilpa Ratnam. She's joining us from Mumbai. The reason we are going to Shilpa is that just about half an hour ago, she spoke to Raza Murad, an actor, who came out hurt and said that whatever Mr. Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi said was wrong and he should take it back. Shilpa, is Raza Murad getting more support from the Bollywood community?
Well, the fraternity has been tight-lipped until now. His is the first reaction we've got from the industry. A very emotional reaction there, a very plaintive one. And as you said, a very visibly hurt one. He made some very valid points as well about the price of beef being cheaper than that of goat meat. And also spoke about the fact that, beef is widely consumed in the northeast and in Goa. Places where the population of Muslims is not the majority. So he seems to be very hurt by this whole, the statement from his close friend, Mr. Naqvi, saying, people who are dying to eat beef should go to Pakistan. And he also, during his conversation with me, addressed the fact, the wording of that statement where Mr. Naqvi said those who are dying to eat beef, he seemed quite hurt by the wording of that statement as well. Shilpa, is he getting more support from the community in Bollywood, fraternity as well? Or is it just a lone voice? Not. For now, it is just a lone voice. He has been the first to speak up. We'll have to wait and watch if others will follow suit. But from the first reactions that we've got, that is from Mr. Raza Murad, it seems to be a very vociferous one.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Shilpa.